Hey, how's it going? So we're going to be recording the chronicle test
4 p.m. Chance for precipitation is 80%. High in the middle, 40s.
34.
East wind around 9 miles per hour.
Okay, that's too much static. We're not going to do that.
For tonight, periods of rain.
Just now realizing it, so I got my first homework assignment done. So
Wind between 10 and 19 miles per hour, with gusts as
test
high
and,
as
continue.
31 miles per hour. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches possible. For Thursday, cloudy through mid-morning, then gradual clearing, with a high in the middle 40s.
We got some rain in the forecast, Jay, so I'm not sure if they're still going to do it on my iPhone to see if they issue a public information statement, but they haven't issued one. So I'm supposing they're still going to do it.
Night, mostly cloudy, with a low in the middle 20s. North and northwest wind between 12 and 17 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 26 miles per hour. For Friday, partly cloudy, with a high in the middle 30s. North and northwest wind between 14 and 18 miles per hour, with gusts as high as 28 miles per hour. For Friday night, clear,
See
with a low
if we
in the
gonna
upper teens.
get it or not. But if not,
For Saturday, sunny, with a high in the middle 40s.
we're gonna shoot shit.
For Saturday night, clear, with a low in the upper 20s. For Sunday, mostly sunny, with a high in the lower 50s. For Sunday night, partly cloudy, with a low in the lower 30s. For Monday, partly cloudy, with a high in the lower 50s. For Monday night, a 30% chance of rain. Partly cloudy, with a low in the middle 30s. And for Tuesday, a 40% chance of rain. Mostly cloudy, with a high in the lower 50s. At 10 a.m. in Chillicothe, the temperature was 41 and the relative humidity 60%. The wind was variable at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.21 inches. For other cities in Missouri, at Kirksville, it was sunny with a temperature of 37. At St. Joseph, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 36. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 36 at Moberly and 43 at Kansas City. It was cloudy with a temperature of 42 at Sedalia, 37 at Warrensburg, 43 at Columbia, 41 at St. Louis, and 45 at the Lake of the Ozarks. Elsewhere in the Midwest, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 36 at Omaha and 36 at Des Moines.
Yeah.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn you of impending weather hazards in north central Missouri. Tests are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday around 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for specific watches and warnings in the Carrollton listening area: Caldwell, Carroll, Sheridan, Cooper, Howard, Lafayette, Lynn, Livingston, Pettis, Ray, and Saline. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning device.
All right, there it is.
At 10 a.m. at Chillicothe,
All right.
the temperature was
Got
41
that.
and the relative humidity 60%. The wind was variable at 3 miles an hour.
Got a nice test off there. Nice test. Nice first morning
inches.
test. First test of the.
For other cities in Missouri, at
Actually, the second test of February, but all right, thought it goes later.